Okay, chicos, I briefly want to go over with you the requirements of the project, things to look for in your project so that you can get the best grade possible, okay? Also, it helps me with the grading because then I don't have to give you as much feedback, so it's a win-win, alright? So anyway, here's your rubric. Hopefully you've looked at it. It's in your 5.1 project on Canvas, but I just encourage you to go through and look at your project and think, how would I grade myself? You should probably do this for every project that you have, like, in school, not just in my class. But anyway, look at your sentences in your project. Are there a variety of sentences? Is it incorporating what we've learned so far this year? I told my in-person class, like, I don't want to just look at your project and see, like, La casa es blanca, La casa es bonita, La casa es grande, okay? No, we've learned to say so much more. In your requirements here, I wrote for you some different things to think about, including like present and future tense. In my presentation I showed you guys at the end, I said, "Tú no vas a encontrar una casa más bonita que mi casa." So just in this sentence alone, I added a near future tense, right? The conjugation of er, the letter a, and an infinitive. And I also used a comparative statement, más que. Do you remember learning that in the first semester? It's saying this is more pretty than my house. You're not going to find one more pretty than my house, right? So that is incorporating a range of things that we've learned. I also used a DOP here, right? You need to buy it today. Necesitas comprarla hoy. So I say check for the variety in your sentence, and would you give yourself 8 for 8 on your variety? Grammar, okay? Big thing is noun adjective agreement. We miss that all the time, chicos, all the time. So like, for example, if I'm saying casa, I'm saying bonita, not bonito, right? Here I'm saying las ventanas son muy altas. A lot of times I see your sentences like las ventanas es muy alto. Okay? If what I'm describing is feminine and plural, my adjective also needs to be feminine and plural. Also, notice how my verb is matching the subject of the sentence. The windows are. We would never say the windows is, right? The windows are. Son muy altas. One thing that's helpful is try to reverse translate your writing, okay? Think, the windows are, they are very tall, okay? You can see all. Correct use of vocab, that's pretty straightforward. Quality of presentation, is it visually appealing? Would you give yourself an 8 for 8? And does it meet the requirements? Go through and literally count your slides. Are there 7 slides? Okay, thankfully it tells you. Did I meet all the requirements? Are there 3 to 5 sentences on each slide? Except for the title slide, that only needs 1 sentence. Are any of the words that I looked up on an online translator bolded? Okay, did I bold these words? And anything else? Yeah, I think that's about it. So please, please, please run your project through the rubric and adjust it as such. This will be due tomorrow, and again tomorrow I will have you guys saying your presentation to me. So I'll explain that more tomorrow. Hasta la vista, chicos, y hasta mañana.